Hi there, this is Ginger Bratzel from New Patient Attraction Automation and gingerbratzel.com, and this is the place for the dental community to increase and to attract more new patients, retain more of your ideal patients, increase your production, and create sustainable growth. We're not talking fad growth, we're talking sustainable growth. And I'm excited to talk to you about my favorite topic in the world in dental practice, and it's marketing. Well, and the reason I want to talk to you about, I just want to put it out there, marketing is not a spectator sport. It is full contact, hard helmet, no pads, on the way to go. And it doesn't have to be a scary thing, but what I'm saying is it's not, you can't sit on the stands and watch it happen. You have to get involved. So maybe you don't want to be the guy out in the field that's taking all the hits, but you still can be the person on the sidelines making the calls. And I don't want you to be the spectators up in the stand who just cheer and someday think, well, maybe I could do that too. I want you to be the team that's taking the ball and running it to the end zone. Marketing is an involvement thing. You have to do it each and every month. You can't just sit on it. You can't just read about it. Honestly, most dentists have so much knowledge that they're never using because they're still learning on it. And I don't fault you on that. That's how we're wired as dentists. We were taught to get information to make good decisions. That's what attracted us to dentistry, because we do that. That's how we got through undergrad. We accumulate information. This is the time to put it to use. Take it. Take an action. Make a decision. Say, I'm going to go after this particular audience. Wrong or right, I'm going to do it. I might do it and I might not, but at least I'm going to try. And I want you to take it to the end zone. I want you to have a full marketing plan with multiple steps specific to your audience. You're going to know where they're going to be. You're going to have a great offer for them. And I want you to commit to do this. This is time to get off the bleachers and get down on the field. So do me a favor and do yourself a favor. Go play. Get into the marketing game. Speaking of the marketing game, I want to share something with you that I think is going to make a really radical difference in your practice, because this is considered, literally a practice transformational opportunity. Prosper in Your Practice 2014 Live is coming September 26, 27, 28 in Dallas, and this is where we're going to make massive results. If you weren't there last year, you've got to make plans on being there this year. And if you were there last year, got good news. We got a whole bunch of brand new information they're going to be bringing to you. So there's too much for me to talk about right now. We're going to talk about our core principles of practice prosperity. I have all these new tidbits I'm going to give you, and I have some big core modules, topics that are just going to blow your socks off that have never been introduced in dentistry, but you can only get it if you're there. So do yourself a favor, go over to the website, prosperinyourpractice.com, read the page, watch the video, read the testimonials of people who were there last year, what the difference it made in their practice, how are they taking that information, and just imagine yourself there for a second and see how you could be featured on the side as a doctor takes massive action. So I will see you on the next video, and also I will physically see you in Dallas as we work together on your practice. Take care. Bye-bye.